What is happening inside Haley's body?
Why, hello there. My name is Dr. Merkel. First, I'm going to talk about how fear is affecting Haley's central nervous system. The central nervous system is comprised of the brain and spinal cord, which are found in the head and neck. The central nervous system works with the peripheral nervous system, composed of nerves, in order to interpret information and control cognitive and motor functions. There are many parts of the brain that all have a role in the body's functioning. The thalamus is involved with passing on sensory data to the appropriate area. The sensory cortex interprets the sensory data. The hippocampus stores and retrieves memories as well as processes a stimulus, which establishes context in our nervous system. The amygdala is involved with decoding emotions, determining a threat, and storing emotions associated with fear. The hypothalamus is in charge of maintaining homeostasis, which means it plays a huge role in the fight or flight response. These parts of the brain allow our nervous system and body to work properly, as well as play a huge role in fear. The creak in the house that Haley heard was the stimulus of the fear. Her brain then sent this information to the thalamus, the part of the brain involved with sensory perception and motor functions, which was then sent to the amygdala. The amygdala tells the hypothalamus to initiate a fight or flight response to protect yourself from possible danger. This fight or flight response involves the activation of the sympathetic nervous system, which then activates the adrenal medulla to release norepinephrine and epinephrine into the bloodstream. The sympathetic nervous system also sends impulses that activate glands and smooth muscles to prepare the body in the event of an intruder. The hypothalamus also releases corticotropin-releasing factor into the pituitary gland in order to secrete the adrenocorticotropic hormone. All of this brain activity causes many changes in Haley's body, such as an increase in blood pressure and heart rate, pupil dilation, increase in blood glucose, tense muscles, and constriction of veins in the skin.
The endocrine system is comprised of a variety of different organs located in different places in the body. The structures of these organs vary in terms of shape and size and perform all different sorts of functions to make up the greater endocrine system, whose primary role is to control bodily organs. Hormones are released from different organs of the endocrine system to maintain homeostasis throughout the body. The endocrine system also plays a major role in reproduction, releasing hormones that allow the body to reproduce. Major organs of the endocrine system include the pituitary gland, the pineal gland, the pineal gland, the thyroid, the parathyroid, the hypothalamus, the adrenal glands, the kidneys, the pancreas, the ovaries, the uterus, and the testes. All of these organs work together to control hormones throughout the body. Fear affects the endocrine system in a variety of different ways. When the body senses fear, it lets out a series of different hormones to produce different responses to allow the body to escape a situation in which they might be in danger. Hormones are released in response to the messages from your nerves. The adrenal gland receives information from the nervous system and releases a hormone in response to the stress relieved by the body. Adrenaline and noradrenaline are released in attempts to bring the body back to its normal state, also known as homeostasis, causing the common feeling of things like butterflies in your stomach, goosebumps, and a faster heart rate. These things are very important functions because they prepare your body in a dangerous situation and allow you to get away. Many of these functions are known as the fight or flight response.
The digestive system is made up of the gastrointestinal tract, also called the digestive tract, and the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. The gastrointestinal tract is a series of hollow organs joined in a long, twisting tube that goes from your mouth to your anus. The hollow organs that make up the gastrointestinal tract are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. Food enters the mouth and passes to the anus through the hollow organs of the gastrointestinal tract. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder are the solid organs of the digestive system. Your digestive system is responsible for taking whole foods and turning them into energy and nutrients to allow the body to function, grow, and repair itself. The 6 primary processes of the digestive system include ingestion of food, secretion of fluids and digestive enzymes, mixing and movement of food and waste through the body, digestion of food into smaller pieces, absorption of nutrients, and excretion of waste. Fear affects the digestive system because it reduces contractions and secretions, for example, acid, in the upper digestive tract, in the stomach, which leads to nausea, fullness, and loss of appetite. Surprisingly, fear increases contractions and secretions in the lower digestive tract, resulting in diarrhea and abdominal pain. This response could be associated with the symptoms of nausea and diarrhea. This gut response to fear has been built and encoded within you. From an evolutionary standpoint, the response evolved to minimize the exposure of the gut to food and waste material that would otherwise use energy needed by muscles in order to fight or flee. In short, the emotion of fear shifts energy from the gut to the muscles. Our survival depends on it.
We're filming. Eliza!
Hello there!
Hold on, I need to snap this up.
You just need me to snap this.
Of course she does.
Like, hear this and be like, yeah.
Okay, when Allie's in the movie. Action!
The digestive system is which is comprised of the brain and spinal cord.
I don't know what to say. This